Well, folks, this is Bill, Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. What we're looking at here today is a brand new 2020 Elite. I believe it's a 12-foot short wall slide-out trailer. Dual hydraulic legs. Awning over the slide-out. Step up into the escape door with the Bauer latch. Hay rack and ladder. Ramp. Rear collapsible tack. Blanket bars. Brush boxes. Got it all. Lined and insulated ceiling. Drops on the tail side. Power awning with a cover. It does have an Outback Customs interior. To the right of the entry door, you got steps up into the bunk. There's your little freestanding table. TV on the wall there. A little dinette on the drop wall. Sofas in the slide. 2-burner recessed cooktop. A microwave. 6-cubic fridge with a TV above. Got a pocket door going into the bathroom. Sink and vanity in the bathroom. Porcelain stool. Nice big shower enclosure. Hanging closet to the right of that. For more information on this trailer, give us a call here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a good day.